Hi guys! In this video we're going to be looking at pronouns, in particular the type of perspective. So there are only three types of perspective. There's first person, which refers to I, me, mine, we, us. So the person who is writing is referring to themselves. There is second person, which directly addresses the audience. So the person who's writing would say you, your, and talking straight to the audience. And then there's third person, which is referring to someone who is not actually there at the moment. So he, she, it, they, them. They're not part of the writing process. So let's take a look at some examples. The first one, last night I saw a flying star. So the I is first person. So this sentence is written in first person. What do you think? You is second person, which means this question is written in second person. The next one, the scientists believe they are correct. They is third person, which means that this sentence is third person. He was at the crime scene. He is third person, because it's referring to someone who's not actually there in the writing process. He was at the crime scene is written in third person. We will never allow something like that to happen again. We talks about the writer, him or herself. So we is first person, which means that this sentence is written in first person. And my last example is the dog chased its tail. It is third person, which means this sentence is written in third person. I hope that's cleared a few things up for you. And see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.